So guys, yes, today is 9th of May and the time is almost 9:15 now. Today in this video I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. So before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. So I upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So you can go inside my channel and watch all these videos, and if you guys like the content, do subscribe to my channel. And also every day I upload like the live trading what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. My course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in stock market trading. Okay, so guys, by being said that, before I show you the live trade, let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So coming to the pre-open market page, you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 1.12% down at 16,227.70. Advanced stocks is only one, declines of 48, and unchanged is one stock. The one advanced stock is Power Grid with only 0.25% up. And let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section now, that is SBI Life with 2.37% down and Indelco with 2.23% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So next, just in few minutes, I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So stay tuned for that. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Short selling Reliance in the market level, okay, around 2553. So okay, let me just reduce some quantity here around. Okay, so we just short sold now around 6500 quantity. So let's see. So guys, as the market is bearish today, you can see at the top left side of your screen that the market is 1.36% down now. So that's why I decided to go short selling on Reliance. Okay, there was no support taken from the Reliance stock, and suddenly the support gave a breakout to the selling side. So that's why we are in a selling side now. So expecting like 10 to 12 points target today, because the movement can be quicker as the stock price is also high. Okay, so the margin is also high here. So let's see how it will perform. So planning to take at least a 10 points target in this trade of Reliance today. So once the market movement continues like this, we'll see when I can take an exit and how the movement will be. Okay, and the next support somewhere for the stock is around 2540, somewhere around there. So I'm not waiting for 2540 to touch. So before that only I'll take my exit once I feel it is safe. So I'll just update you guys once I take the exit, as the market is down today and the stock is also in a downtrend. That's why we have taken a sell side entry on the Reliance today, and now we'll see how the stock will perform. And the market is continually coming down today, so 1.45% down. When in the pre-open market, you can see the market was almost 1% gap down opening, and once the market opens, and it's almost few minutes after the market opening here, and you can see the market is now 1.51% down again. So the market is continuously coming down. So the stock is now made a low of 2555.30 as of now. That's a new low made in this stock. So I'm just waiting for that low to give a breakout, and from there we can expect some of the movements in Reliance. Okay, so I'll update you guys once I take my exit, and now we can see the live trend what happens. So guys, yes, as you guys can see the stock medal of 2542 now. So I just took my exit around 13 to 14 points and I managed to take my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Reliance. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.